My name is Elizabeth Muller, and today I'm going to show you how to make Spanish style bacalao. Now I'm going to show you how delicious and how beautiful this is going to look on the plate. I've cooked some white rice, Spanish white rice, okay, nothing boxed. I went ahead and did that ahead of time, and you can do that. Rice cooks in about 15 minutes. It doesn't take long, but you want long green white rice. And then I'm going to go ahead and take some of this delicious bacalao and put it over it like that, just like that, with the sauce. That's how you're going to serve your bacalao when you have it, okay? This is one of the versions of bacalao, as you see right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and plate the other one, which is the bacalao with the eggs, and you're going to see the difference and how dry and different that is. So I'm going to take another plate here, a smaller plate, and put on some rice again. Put some rice on the plate. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and take the spoon and go ahead and place the bacalao in there. You see how different that looks now compared to the other one? So these are our two versions of bacalao and rice.